there is a lot of great progress in AI. First of all, we have predictive AI, which is now very mature. You can actually predict, doing facial recognition, doing image analysis, and so forth. So the prediction AI has been around. But what is so exciting recently is the generative AI. So generative AI, basically, there are multiple categories, but two of them is one of the most exciting. One of them is basically in the area of using diffusion models and GANs for image and visual computing. The others is the large language models. Both of them is now making a lot of progress, and we are seeing a lot of new application coming out. So the question is that how for the next 5 to 10 years, how is AI is going to impact the industry, and how is it going to transform the industry? Um, it is very difficult to see how is it going to be in 5 to 10 years, right? At the moment right now, the AI is exploding exponentially. Generative AI is only one of them. We are going to see other form of AI. Things will be like, in the area of continuous learning. Because at the moment right now, you see generative AI is a one-time training. But going in the future, you will see that AI is going to learn on the fly. And that is going to be the next phase. Now, how is it going to look like in the next 5 to 10 years? Who knows? Because now it's changing so fast. But one thing for sure is that every aspect of our life is going to be touched by AI in one way or another. So what is the limitation of current AI research and development? There are a few. One of them is talents. There is not enough talents at the moment right now. Every single country, every single organization right now is in competition with one another for talents. And that is only one of them. The second one is that with the talents, you need two raw resources. One of them is data. There is not enough data, right? You look at GPT-4, they are running out of data to actually train the models. Where are they going to get new data? And furthermore, there's privacy in data and so forth. So there are a lot of issues about data, right? So we got to resolve that. The next thing is the compute resource. Now, the compute resource now is dominated by the big tech company. People like Google's, Meta, X, and whatsoever. They have the resources to do all this big research in large language models and so forth. So the country will have to gather together. The government have to come up with a plan to put into resource together so that they can support the SME, the startups, and so forth, in order for them to do their research. Or else, they will be eaten up easily by the big tech. What would be the advice for the students and researchers in AI? Well, my advice is that the technology is moving very fast, right? What we learn today and what we have developed today may be obsolete in a very short time. So what is very important is to be adaptive. We need to be creative, to learn about new things and how to use new technology in order to improve our work. Um, and, um, and very importantly, like I said before, is to be as adaptive as possible. It complements a lot because one of the very important things I said before in the world of AI is that it's changing so fast. We need to learn from one another. We need to collaborate. We need to network. And a conference like this allows us to actually get people together to network and learn from one another. Fantastic and great.